Om Namo Parvati Padaye. Namaste. The following are the people who contributed for Makara Sankranti and Pongal Annadanam. With your grand support, you are able to feed thousands of sadhus and poor on the day of Makara Sankranti and Pongal in the name of your ancestors and for your family. So, on behalf of Sadhguru Charitable Trust, we wish you the Pongal wishes and Makara Sankranti wishes. Now, I'll read the list of contributors, and after this reading the list, we all will pray for your ancestors and the welfare of your family. Pallavali Gotram, N. Gayatri and their family, Chengalvarayulu, Sheshamma, Ramachandra Babu, Sahit Priya, Satish Kumar, Gayatri, Ramakrishnaya, Meenakshi, Sai Kaushik, Satvik, Venkatayya, Venkatamma. Vishnu Gotram, Sridharan and his family, Jayalakshmi Sridharan, Hariharan, Srinivasan. K.S. Suresh Babu and family, Shivaji D and family, Shiva Gotram, Lalita Venugopal and the family, Venugopal, Lakshmi Venugopal. Tarun and his family, Sweta Ganeshan and family, Prashant. Shiva Gotram, Ramasamy Subramani and his family, Venkateshwari, Nandagopala Gotram, Rajesh, Preeti, Nivesh, Tejasri. Shiva Gotram, Sankara Raman, Diksha. Jogaya, Cherla and family. Vargav Rishi Gotram, Jnaneshwar Rao Gadale, Bharati Bai, Vivek, Shri, Sailaja, Shyambu. Paidipala Gotram, Gundamullu Venkatesh, Kalyani. Venkat Rao, Ramalakshmi and family. Sadamashna Gotram, Rajiv Ganesh, Bala Subramaniam and Archana. Kauntanyasa Gotram, Yashavi Alladi, Vaman Rao and his family. Venkatesh Dharmakari and his family. Maudgalya Gotram, Atul Manohar Unhale, Tejas, Tushar, Atul, Pankaj. Viji and family. Shiva Gotram, Bhaskaran Pillai, Kashyapa Gotram, Saharsh Singh. Jamadagni Gotram, Asvita Goyal, Sumant, Beena, Anisha, Avni, Govind. Yellishatla Gotram, Ramu Konduri, Konduri Venkatayya, Urmila, Konduri Ramu, Navya. Bharatwaja Gotram, Satish Gaddam, late Gaddam Lakshmi Kantamma, Gaddam Shantamma, Gaddam Pullayya, Gaddam Venkamma, Gaddam Narsayya, Gaddam Rajayya. Saravanan, Parvati Sumati, Ramachandran. J. Jagadishwar Reddy, Madhusudana Reddy Rampa. Suvarna Gotram, Shobit, Jayanti, Mohit. Sankupala Gotram, Someshwar Reddy, Radhika Rampa. Rajeshwari V, Rajendran and family. Kalava Magarshi Gotram, Suresh Babu, Gayatri, Gautam, Adarsh and Neela. Singamalla Gotram, Gundubogla Ramakrishna, Sarvani, Chakravarti, Kalyana Chakravarti, Naveen. Shanmuga Gotram, Balaji. Kashyapa Gotram, Venkat Prasad, Savita Prasad, Nagakiran Prasad, Urja Bhargavi. Murali and family. Venkata Satish, Lingam and family. Sailaja Prasad and family. Tayaramma. Jnanasila Gotram, Krishna Chaitanya Grandhi, Sruti, Subbarao, Nagakumari, Vikash, Laghari and Vedans. Anumula Gotram, Manjunath, Vijaya Kumara, Anusha, Anjana Chakrika, Arjun Arnachalam. Vijay Krishna and family. Pandi Paramasivan and family. Shiva Gotram, Munuswami, Sukanya, Mautika Asriya, Mrtula Asri, Ritish Vikram. Satish and family. Ravikiran and family. Vijay Gaur and family. Krishna Reddy and family. Kannan and family. Sadamashna Gotram, Venkat Raghavan T.R., Shruti Venkat Raghavan. Upendra Magarshi Gotram, Mora Vishnu Prasad, Mora Neeraja, Mora Sai Swarup, late Mora Venkatayya, late Sushila. Nagula Gotram, Sridhar Badi, Sivu Naidu, Satyavati, Satish, Sri Harsha, Shritika. P. Sashireka, Lakshmi Narayana and family. Padma and family. Narsimha Murthy and family. Kota Bhupal Reddy and family. So these are all the people who supported us for Makara Sankranti and Pongal Annadanam. So now we'll do the Sankalpam and we will pray for my family. நான் சொன்ன அப்படி சொல்லுங்க. அண்ணாமலையார் அருளால் உண்ணாமலையம் அருளால் அன்னதானத்திற்கு உதவி செய்த குடும்பங்கள் அனைத்தும் அவர் அறியாது சேர்ந்த சர்வ தோஷங்கள் நீங்கி சர்வ ரோகங்கள் நீங்கி அவரது வாழ்க்கையில் தனம் தானியம் சந்தானம் ஜெயம் தைரியம் பலம் ராஜ்யம் வாகனம் ஆகிய அஷ்ட ஐஸ்வர்யங்கள் பெற்று சம்பூர்ண ஆரோக்கியம் பெற்று அவர்கள் முன்னோர்கள் அனைவரும் மோட்ச நிலை அடைந்து பிறவில்லா நிலை அடைந்து அவர்களது முன்னோர்களின் ஆசீர்வாதமும் அண்ணாமலையாரின் பரிபூர்ண ஆசீர்வாதமும் அனைத்து குடும்பம் பெற எல்லாம் வல்ல அருணாச்சலேஸ்வரரை பிரார்த்திப்போம். ஓம் நமோ பார்வதி பதயே.